My name is Adrian Johnson, Trade Tech 2 Supervisor for City of Richmond Park. And this crew right here, I got to take my hat off to those that's out here because I'm being honest. They are listening, they are learning, and they are understanding how to groom grass. LeVar White.
My name is Mark Lee.
Charlene.
My name is Adrian Johnson.
Very helpful in that process. Oh, just to adapt, because it's like we're a team. It's like a group of us. It's a team effort, and there's a lot of personalities, big personalities, and we all gel real good. You know, we mesh real well, and we don't have no.
Guys I work with, I don't like them at all. I love them. You understand? Because we are a set of team that's trying to strive to be better men and women for society, and just learn how to do things in a better manner. And this program gives us the time and the patience to unify and be a team. We all come in, we can talk to each other about anything that's going on outside of the job to help us to do a better job. So those are some of the things this program have taught me, and I enjoy it, and I hope to stay on.
I love working with LeVar, Tiffany, and my son, because like they said, we are a team, and we help each other out when something is lacking somewhere, and we just very supportive. We laugh, we joke, and we just stick together.
LeVar came in, know nothing about weed eating, know nothing about a riding mower. I'm talking about a zero turn riding mower. Now, Mr. LeVar is weed eating, riding zero turns. Miss Boone know nothing about a weed eater or riding mower. Miss Tiffany know nothing about a riding mower, weed eater. Mr. Lee knew very little, but now I'm willing and I will bet anything that they can take and groom any field in the city of Richmond, just like I would.
Thing about landscaping. So just to have an opportunity in a field you don't know anything about. Foremost, that's one. Just teaching me the skill I never know. You know what I mean? And then you look at the city when you ride around. You may look at the city and the way the city is beautified through things that we do. So we see how we contribute to have the city look as good as it looks, and the city look good.
How does it feel?
Mr. Johnson is the bomb. I just appreciate him in so many ways. We learn a lot from him, and he know his stuff. He's not gonna tell us nothing wrong when we ask questions. He give it to us straight up. He don't cut no corners or none of that, and he don't have no favoritism, no picks or none of that.
First day I got here, I was like, oh my gosh, what did I get myself into? And I thought like I would not be able to do it. And sure enough, I'm getting there. The weed eating, I'm getting there. But there's things that I thought I would never do that I'm doing. So don't be afraid to try. I like the mower. I will be honest, that's what I like. The weed eating, I'm getting used to it. Not a fan of it, but I like the mower.
Yeah, landscaping has been real good for me. I've done it, again, I probably said I've done it for over 20 some years, so I really know how to teach people how to get jobs and keep jobs. I can really teach them how to start their own businesses. So I know what companies are looking for in people, so I can really direct these people on how to land these landscaping jobs. I know the things that they're most looking for, people that's really passionate about their work, people that's neat work, can run a variety of equipment. That's why I have a variety of equipment to teach them on. So when they do go for these jobs, they'll be really ready. They'll be touched on a little bit of everything. And the more knowledge you have in the landscaping field, the better your chances are of landing a real good landscaping job that pays good money and starting your own business. You want to be able to do a variety of things. You don't want to just learn how to just cut grass, You want to learn how to plant, mulch, prune. You want to learn plants. You want to learn flowers. That's what people that own their own homes, they're looking for somebody that have a little bit of knowledge of everything.
think any program that gives our fellow citizens an opportunity to excel and succeed and allows them to make a little money so they can put a roof over their families' heads and also food on the table, that goes a long way with me. And so I think we should all be focused on allowing folks to have an opportunity to work, and I think Richmond works for all.
What do you think about the connection between this program and community involvement?
I mean, I think in order to ensure that we have a strong workforce, it takes a full community. Having a job is foundational, because if you don't have a job, then more than likely you don't have a place to live, and you can't get the proper health care that you need. And so having a job is foundational, and it helps build a strong community. And so when you look at the city, we have 4,600 people who don't have a job today. If we can develop that talent right here locally, grow that talent right here locally, it's going to create just a better community.
And how do you feel about the youth working with this program?
Yeah, at the earliest we can get them to start thinking about a job and developing their skills to actually participate in the workforce goes a very, very long way. That's why I'm very, very pleased with the work of the Mayor's Youth Academy out of the Office of Community Wealth Building. And that's why I'm also proud about our work alongside Richmond Public Schools as well. We get a lot of talent here in the city. And as mayor, I have three main focuses, and that is to attract talent, to retain talent, and to grow talent right here in the city of Richmond.